Namaste and welcome to the Swayambhu family. I am Sharmila, a psychotherapist and counselor by profession. I just want to ask you a question today. As you wake up in the morning, what's the first thing you tell for yourself? Do you say good morning, it's a very nice day and I'm going to enjoy the day, or oh, another day? What should I do? It's such a boring day. Do you start with that? Then later on, the second step is as you go to the shower, what's your reaction? When you go to take your bath in the shower, what do you say? Oh my God, I have to take a bath now. Do you think it as a chore which you have to complete? Or do you feel that I have to give some me time for myself? Your shower is your totally me time for yourself. So you can spend 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes as per your convenience. Sometimes we are working, we don't find that so much of time to go in for that much of relaxation. But even the 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever you spend the time in your shower is your totally me time which you have to spend for yourself. Today, as you step into the bathroom, what are you going to do? Just go about when you enter, see what fragrance do you get as you enter your bathroom. What's the fragrance? What's the smell that you get from the bathroom? And as you go about, just promise yourself this much, that you are not going to think about any unwanted thoughts for that 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You are not going to make any mental movies in your bathroom when you go to take your bath. Now you may be bathing in a bathtub, under a shower, or you may be bathing with a bucket and a mug. So what you have to do? Here it is your own relaxation time. So in this relaxation time, you are by yourself. After that, what you are going to do? Now adjust the temperature of the water to your requirement. As you step and start putting the water in your body, maybe you are under a shower or in your bathing tub, or you are taking the water in a bucket, what are you going to do is, you are giving a thought to the healing and cleansing properties of the water. Water is life. So be thankful and grateful that you are so blessed to have your daily bath. Recognize your connection with the water. Feel the warmth and the sensation of water on your body. Focus your attention on your whole body, head to toe. Observe if you are holding any tension in any part of the body. As the water slides down from your body, you feel if there is any pain. Observe any pain or tension or tightness in your body. You feel as if the pain is being released with the water flowing down. As you pour the water on your body, you feel as if the holy water of the Supreme Divine is falling on your head. From your head to toe, you feel the blessings. Feel the blessings of the universe is being poured to you from head to toe. And then, as the water goes down, feel the stress, the anger, the guilt, the resentment, whatever you have, just releasing and going away, washing away out from your body. Feel that relaxation as you pour the water on your head, to your toe, to your body. When you pour that water, feel the relaxation, and as the water goes away, you feel all the tension moving away and everything is just moving away. Allow it to let go and let go. Just do this for 2-3 days and you will feel the difference. Personally, I have tried it. That is why I just came out with this video. I felt that it would be a good thing to put this video Once again, as you pour water or shower, notice how you feel. Just be aware of the sensation of water, nothing more or nothing less. As you rub your body, your head with shampoo, body wash, give all your love to each and every part of your body. Treat all the parts of your body with tender care as you would treat a child. You can talk to the parts of your body. Tell thank you to the parts of the body, to your hands, to your legs, to your face, to your head, each and every part that you get connected when you take bath. As you pour water, have a feeling of gratitude for the water. Water, a life-giving and purifying gift of nature. So be very, very thankful. Feel how blessed you are that you are taking bath in that water. As the water flows down, imagine the water washing away all your exhaustion, irritation and stress. Once again, as you shower or pour water, say, I release all tension, I release all fear, I release all anger, I release all guilt, I release all sadness, and let go of all the limitations, all the tensions, all the pains. As you pour water again, you are just going to say these affirmations for yourself in the bath. I love my body and my body loves me. I love my body and my body loves me. It is such a pleasure to take a shower. The water feels so good. My life is blessed. Today is the best day of my life. So when you do these affirmations, naturally you will get that positivity inside the body. Now what happens is, as human beings, especially when we take bath, there are so many thoughts that crop up. We don't know how it comes up. Sometimes, most of the times, positive thought when we get, we hardly think over it for 1 or 2 minutes. But when it is a negative thought, you just see, you don't know you are pouring the water, but the movie goes on about the negativity. But from today, you are going to promise yourself that whatever thoughts I will be thinking while taking my bath will only be good thoughts. It will only be positive thoughts. If nothing, you can just say all is well. So whenever these thoughts come, you will say, if thoughts come, what will you do? So if you get some positive thoughts, some creative ideas, go about with it. See, because sometimes, being in the bathroom and while taking a bath, we have many creative ideas. So if you have really such constructive creative ideas, what you do is think over it, and once you finish your bath, just write it in some book of yours so that you will not forget that thought. It might be very constructive for you later on. But if it is a negative thought, what are you going to do? You just say, please stop for now, we will think about it later, and then you are going to say, all is well, all is well, all is well. Visualize yourself being in the protection of the divine light of the universe. So as you are taking bath, you feel the divine light of that supreme divine coming on you, and it is just covering you and giving you a protection. It is motivating you for the day ahead, washing away all the negativity. So as you pour the water and as the divine light comes on you, feel that all the negativity and the tension, the pain that is inside you is just being washed away and washed away and washed away. So start every day and start the day filled with productivity and great energy. Have a wonderful and blessed day filled with light and love. Be happy always. Thank you.